back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. My name is Katie and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom to 4 children. I just want to jump on here really quick. I noticed that I had a few views on my how to start cloth napkins and wipes video. So I just wanted to give an update because that was almost 2.5 years ago. So I'm still using these same napkins / wipes from Etsy, and you can see they're very stained, especially the lighter colored ones. And I will put in the comments down below the Etsy shops that they came from. I don't even know if these shops are still making them. It's really hard to tell, but this is actually really faded compared to what they used to look like. This is very dingy looking. If you see my white mattress, I'm actually in the middle of a cleaning video also, so I had taken the sheets off of my bed. But this used to be white, and of course the back is very dingy. I don't like to use these whenever we have people come over. I just use them for you know, myself, my husband, and my 4 kids. The best ones really that I have found that they seem to have lasted the longest would definitely be these right here. And I wish I could remember. I will definitely link everything down below in the comments. But, you know, these really haven't faded as much. But to me, these have held up the best. They have the least amount of fraying, I guess you would say. Because if you look at, let's see, well, that one, these are okay. But like this right here, you can see where it's definitely coming unstitched. They've held up for a very long time, but this one's pretty bad. Also, you know, they keep the little ketchup and spaghetti stains and things like that. And also, I will put in the comments below and the eye in the sky the video previous to this that was made about 2.5 years ago. And also, I'm no longer using the polyester ones that are like these, the handkerchiefs type fabric. I'm only using 100% cotton because somebody informed me on that video. She told me that basically that's like plastic and it can catch fire in the microwave, because I was using them there for a while to cover up plates over the microwave. But actually, before she had mentioned that, I had stopped using them and I gave them to my kids to use as little bandanas or things like that, or capes or whatever, whenever they're playing. So now my kids use them, and I just use the 100% cotton. I'm trying to switch red like out of my kitchen. I don't want red in my kitchen anymore, but I'm still using these until I get more. My mom got me these for Christmas. They are the 100% cotton ones, and I do love it because they are a deep purple. I think they're beautiful. But for some reason, they're catching all the lint that I'm washing, like I'm washing towels with them. So anyway, if you guys have any suggestions of how to get that off, I guess I just need to use like a lint brush and then just wash them from here on out without new towels, because I think that was the problem, is I had used a couple of new towels when I washed these for the first time. Of course, this isn't the whole stash of cloth napkins. I think altogether I had about 30. I think I had 10 from each, or maybe 12. I'm not really sure. But I definitely will reorder some more of these just because they are solid black and they don't show up stains. And also, if you look, I'm not sure if you can tell, but you see the stitching right there is very thorough. It looks like she went over it 2, maybe 3 times, but that to me is just a better job than this one. You can see, there it goes. Okay, you can see it, excuse my dry hands. I've had sick kids and I've had to wash them several times, but you know, the fraying is happening. This one did a good job too, but it does start to fray a little bit right there, you can see. So anyway, okay. All right, guys, I know this was a really short and informal video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. All right, thanks guys, bye.